Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. Today we learned to make thick and creamy as well as healthy peanut butter. For this I've taken some roasted and de-skimmed peanuts. Add the peanuts into a blender jar and give 2 to 3 pulses. After the first pulse, you can see it has become into a coarse powder. Gently scrape the sides and continue this for 3 to 4 times. Once you learn to make these, you'll forget about the store-bought ones. They are super easy to make, free of preservatives as well as healthy. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. Also, please do share your feedbacks in the comment section below and let me know if you want to learn more interesting and healthy recipes. Now after few pulses and without adding any liquid, peanut has released its oil. Now you can add a sweetener of your choice. Here I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder, 2 teaspoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. This is optional, you may omit this step. And a pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness. Finally, add in 2 tablespoons of cold pressed groundnut oil. Give few more pulses to blend everything well. You can see how thick and creamy it has turned out to be. Check for the sweetness, and if you find it less sweet, you can also add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. I hope you liked this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.